Looking for the best walking canes? In this video we will look at some of the top 3 walking canes on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check out to see which is in your budget range. At number 3. Drive Medical Deluxe Folding Cane Seat. A lightweight, stable cane that provides added walking security and a handy seat. Tripod legs are easy to open. While not practical for everyone, it's a great concept for users who like the idea of portable seat along with a durable cane. Though rated for £250, the weight limit of the seat is questionable. It's too small for many individuals. At number 2. VIVE Quad Cane. Surprisingly light, one of the most stable canes on the market. Very durable. Great price for a durable, reliable cane with a terrific warranty. The huge, 4-pronged foot is very stable, but it can also be unwieldy in narrower passages. At number 1. HurryCane Freedom Edition. Very stable, stands on its own due to foot design. Folds up for easy storage. Incredibly simple height adjustment. A popular brand and a top seller for good reason. When it comes to versatility and quality, you simply can't beat this product. If foot gets stuck on rough terrain, cane could unexpectedly fold. To buy or check price, click link in description. Please like and subscribe our channel for more products reviews.